everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am excited to be with my good friend, you know her, Katie of ICI Homes. And guess what, guys? We are in Palm Crest at Seabrook, and this is one of two final opportunities that ICI even has in this amazing community. And Palm Crest at Seabrook, to remind everybody, this community, every lot has a preserve view or pond, and this particular lot has a beautiful preserve view. So I'm excited that Katie's showing us this quick move-in, ready for you today to start the school year if you do have kids, family. If not, guess what, guys? You can be in here to get the splash and spray water parks. So we've already walked in. You're looking at the tall ceilings, all the natural light coming in. And Katie, tell us about this floor plan.
Yes, this is a great floor plan. As you walk in, just like you said, Heather, you know, you walk in and you have the beautiful two-story living room, which is absolutely beautiful. It lets in so much natural light. You do also have, you know, one bedroom downstairs, which is absolutely amazing for, you know, that teenager that kind of wants that separate living, or, you know, if you need some living for a parent that also lives with you, I think it's very useful. You also have a full bathroom, which is really nice for guests that, you know, come over. They kind of get that separate feeling, which I think is a great thing.
And what's really nice, so Katie mentioned if you do have, whether it's that adult child, I call it favorite child, or if you have multi-generational living, so many people, and I always say this on the videos, but they really do tell the Welcome Center staff, hey, we're looking for floor plans that could be multi-generational. This would allow that older parent, grandparent to be on the first floor, but also they're away from the rest of
Yes.
living here, which I do like, so you have that privacy. But if you don't need that space, that could be a great office. And again, you're in the corner, so you're away from everything, so great office space. And that is a full bath provided on the first floor. So you do have a bathroom on the first floor for all your guests.
Yes, and as we're coming out here, Carling has the video, and she's going to show you the beautiful backyard that is on our preserve. We do have some renderings that we can show buyers that shows what kind of pool could fit out here. Our great pool company that we work with, Tier 1 Pools, they have drawn us up some renderings, so we can definitely share those with you for aftermarket pools.
And if you're curious, what does Palm Crest look like, you can actually go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhood tab, find Palm Crest at Seabrook, and then click on the word site map. And what, again, you will see is this amazing community. It really did sell fast. And again, this is one of two final opportunities for ICI Homes. And this community has preserve lots. This has really been one of the most desirable new construction communities that Nocatee has offered.
It has been.
And look at this beautiful, thank you for doing white cabinets, very
beautiful,
clean.
They are beautiful. And right here over this hood, it also has a beautiful decorative hood, which I think is a very great upgrade for us. You have quartz countertops, you have soft close for all of your cabinets. And also, Carling, if you would show them how much space they would have between cooking on the stove and the sink. So, you know, again, a big family, you can have everyone in the kitchen at once, cooking, talking, hanging out. So I think it's a great kitchen for a big family.
Yeah, this floor plan has been popular for ICI Homes because people do, of course, always like the open concept floor plans, but by having with the second story above, but you see those beautiful windows again, and that's something ICI has done through the years. It really just brings all of that natural light, but makes the floor plan even feel larger.
It does, I agree. And as we're coming into here, this is a flex space, a dining room, you know, kind of, again, that multi-purpose. You know, you could almost use it as an office, anything that you need. You know, if you have kids that you need all the bedrooms, here's another space for an office, which is a great use of space.
Yeah, office, playroom, flex space. It could actually be a bar. I saw one of the people that actually purchased this floor plan. They made that into a cool, I call it a speakeasy, but
Yes.
the bar, a whole scene around there. So I thought that was really neat, especially for our empty nesters that are moving here to Nocatee. And reminding people, we've already passed the 2-car garage, but there's also a 1-car. Carling, just flip around really fast. You don't have to go in there, but just showing people you've got an entire other garage on the other side. Now, most people are putting their golf carts, bicycles, kayaks, your tools, things like that in that space, but that leaves you an entire other side of the home 2-car garage. And again, this floor plan, you can also see when you click that neighborhood tab, Palm Crest, and then find your home, you will be able to see this floor plan. But this is a quick move-in, and this is the last quick move-in right now that you can move in today with ICI Homes here in Palm Crest at Seabrook. So we're coming up the stairs. So the primary bedroom and more secondary bedrooms are up here. We'll head towards the secondary bedrooms first. So we're gonna go that direction. So Carling, okay, so just so we know, we've got 2 over there, and you've got your washer and dryer, laundry, and then we'll head sideways.
And everyone gets to see the beautiful 2-story.
Look how that.
So beautiful.
Lots of natural light. I love this landing area. And then that primary bedroom on the opposite side of the home, separate from the secondary bedrooms, but also you are not above that bedroom on the first floor. So trying to visualize that as you're watching this video, I think that is very important. So you're not hearing any movement.
You're right.
If there is, you know, upstairs. I think that's a huge selling point.
Definitely, I agree with that. And as you come into here, beautiful tray ceiling, humongous master bedroom. It is.
Oh yeah, you could put a lot of furniture in here.
It's a great owner's retreat. They did a great job. A lot of natural light coming in.
Tray ceiling,
exactly.
great.
It is pre-wired, you know, for fan, light, anything that you would need. And then as we're coming into here, this is the owner's bathroom, double sink, and then a huge shower that everyone loves. Everyone always talks about the shower, which I think is a great point.
ICI Homes, you did the party shower.
You do. And then also the owner's closet is just an amazing size as well.
And reminding people with the window that's here in the bathroom, the good thing is you don't even have to put any type of shade on it, privacy shade, and that again is a reminder this home is on a preserve lot. There is no one behind you. So that also speaks to all of the windows that were on that first floor. Guess what, guys? You don't have to spend the money nor even think about getting any type of shade. I mean, if you choose to get beautiful curtains or something, that is something you can do, but that is more like a piece of art, a piece of dressing. And so again, we're walking out looking at this. So ICI Homes, you did a great job, but this is it. And Palm Crest, to be honest with you, has a handful of total homes left. So ICI Homes has this quick move-in ready for you today. Check out the quick move-in page on Nocatee.com always. And guess what, guys? Seabrook Park is steps away. So if you don't want to put a pool, you are literally walking distance to a 7,000 square foot pool right outside this community. So call Katie today. She's waiting. All right, bye guys.
Thanks, bye.